Welcome back to Aiden Clark Learn. If you are planning to build your career in Microsoft Azure AI certifications, then this video is going to save you a lot of time. Today, we'll compare two Microsoft exams. AI-102, Designing and Implementing a Microsoft Azure AI Solution. AI-103, Developing AI Apps and Agents on Azure. We'll cover basic exam information, major comparison between AI-102 and AI-103, why AI-102 exam is retiring, and why you should choose AI-103 exam now. 5 real scenario-based AI-103 practice questions with answers, and where you can practice more exam questions, so make sure to watch till the end. AI-102 Exam Basic Information. Exam name: Designing and Implementing a Microsoft Azure AI Solution. Exam code: AI-102. Certification: Name: Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate Certification. Main focus: this exam focuses on designing and implementing Azure AI solutions using Azure Cognitive Services, Azure AI Services, Bot Services, Computer Vision, Natural Language Processing, NLP. Retired status: retiring on June 30th. AI-103 Exam Basic Information. Exam name: Developing AI Apps and Agents on Azure. Exam code: AI-103. Certification: Name: Microsoft Azure AI Apps and Agents Developer Associate Certification. Main focus: this exam focuses on developing AI-powered applications, AI agents, Azure OpenAI solutions, Copilot-style experiences, modern generative AI applications. Current status: new updated Microsoft Azure AI certification. Major comparison table. Now let's quickly compare both exams, step by step. First, if we talk about the exam focus, AI-102 focuses on traditional Azure AI solutions, while AI-103 focuses on modern AI apps and AI agents. Next, the AI technologies. AI-102 mainly covers cognitive services and bot services, whereas AI-103 includes Azure OpenAI, AI agents, and Copilot technologies. Now let's talk about the skills tested. AI-102 tests AI solution implementation skills, while AI-103 focuses more on AI app development and agent integration. Moving toward modern AI coverage, AI-102 has limited modern AI concepts, but AI-103 is more advanced and updated according to current AI trends. In terms of industry relevance, AI-102 follows an older structure, whereas AI-103 is more future-focused. Another important point is exam availability. AI-102 is retiring on June 30th, while AI-103 is the active and recommended certification. For Microsoft training availability, AI-102 training resources are limited or removed, while AI-103 training is officially available. And finally, if we talk about the best choice for 2026, AI-102 is no longer recommended, and AI-103 is definitely the better option to choose. Important update. One very important thing you should know. AI-102 exam is retiring on June 30th, 2026. Microsoft is replacing it with the newer and updated AI-103 exam. In fact, if you visit the official Microsoft exam preparation page for AI-102, you'll notice that training resources are no longer available. That means Microsoft is clearly shifting its focus toward the new AI-103 certification exam. So, if you are planning to register for an Azure AI certification now, then it is strongly recommended to choose AI-103 instead of AI-102. Practice questions section. Now let's move toward the most important part of this video. Real AI-103 scenario-based practice questions. These questions will help you understand the type of scenarios you may face in the real exam. Question number 1. A company wants to build an AI chatbot using Azure Open. AI service that can answer questions from internal company documents. Which Azure service should be used to index and retrieve document data? A. Azure Virtual Machines. B. Azure AI Search. C. Azure Kubernetes Service. D. Azure Monitor. Correct answer, B. Azure AI. Search explanation. Azure AI Search helps index, search, and retrieve enterprise documents efficiently for AI-powered chat applications and retrieval augmented generation, RAG solutions. Question number 2. A developer needs to create an AI agent that remembers previous conversations with users. Which feature is most important? A. Stateless. A. P. is B. Session memory. C. Azure. D. NSD. Load balancer. Correct answer, B. Session memory. Explanation. Session memory enables AI agents to maintain conversational context and provide more intelligent, personalized responses. Question number 3. Your organization wants to deploy an Azure OpenAI model securely without exposing public internet access. Which Azure feature should you use? A. Public endpoint. B. Azure CDNC. Private endpoint. D. Azure front door. Correct answer, C. Private endpoint. Explanation. Private endpoints allow secure access to Azure services over a private network, improving security and compliance. Question number 4. A company wants to monitor token usage and costs for Azure OpenAI applications. Which Azure tool is best for this purpose? A. Azure Cost Management. B. Azure Paint. C. Azure Media Services. D. Azure Batch. Correct answer, A. Azure Cost Management. Explanation. Azure Cost Management helps organizations monitor resource consumption, token usage costs, and optimize cloud spending. Question number 5. You are developing a Copilot-style assistant that uses external business data during conversations. Which architecture pattern is commonly used? A. FTP integration. B. Retrieval augmented generation, RAG. C. Virtual machine scaling. D. CDN replication. Correct answer, B. Retrieval augmented generation, RAG. Explanation. RAG combines external knowledge retrieval with generative AI responses, making AI assistants more accurate and context-aware. I hope these practice questions helped you understand the AI-103 exam pattern and the kind of scenario-based questions you may face in the real certification exam. If you want more updated and realistic practice questions, then you can check Pass for Future. It's a trusted and reliable platform for certification exam preparation, especially since AI-102 is retiring. Official training resources are becoming limited. You can use Pass for Future practice questions for both exams, AI-102 and AI-103, to improve your preparation and confidence before the exam. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment which certification you are preparing for, subscribe to Aiden Clark Learn, and share this video with your friends preparing for Microsoft Azure AI certifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.